Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Australia, the land of kangaroos and koalas. I am Polly Snail. In Australia, you're going to learn the T and Th sounds. Look at the first letter very carefully. What does it look like?
Close the door.
What about now?
They don't.
It looks like two people sailing on a boat. What about the second letter?
Okay. This is 2% boat. It's T-boats, and this is 3 boats.
Seaboats, yes. Now plate.
Okay.
Yes, it looks like 3 people sailing on a boat. Now, let's watch a story about 2-person boat and 3-person boat. But for that, you need to go to the next activity.
Very still.
Have fun in Australia.
Hurry.
MashaAllah.
Here. What are those right there?
Story Zone. Watch the video story and meet the main characters.
T-boat and Thee-boat. One day, Yusuf, along with his mum and dad, went to a park. There was a big, beautiful lake in the park. Yusuf saw people rowing small boats in the lake. Can we take a rowboat ride? Yusuf asked his parents. It looks fun, said Yusuf's dad. They found the boat sheds.
There was someone in the lake with.
Choose
There
a
was someone in the
T-boat
lake.
or a
It was
Thee-boat. $5 for a ride. What's a T-boat? Said his mum. What's a Thee-boat? Said his dad. They all shrugged. Mum looked around for the person who looks after the boat sheds. A sign on the door read, "Out for lunch. Choose a boat. Put $5 in the box." I guess we'll take a T-boat then, said Dad, placing $5 into the box on the wall. The 3 of them carried a T-boat down to the water and carefully stepped in one at a time. Mum went first and then held Yusuf's hand while he climbed into the front. Dad stepped into the T-boat very carefully and sat in the back. The T-boat wobbled one way, then it wobbled the other way. Careful, said Dad. They all sat very still. That was close, said Yusuf. Dad picked up the oars and pushed off into the lake. The T-boat wobbled one way. It wobbled the other way. Careful, said Mum. Then splash! The T-boat flipped right over. Dad, Mum and Yusuf splashed and spluttered in the water. Whoops! Maybe we chose the wrong boat. Dad laughed. They swam back to the boat sheds, pulling the T-boat behind them. Dripping wet, they climbed out of the lake. The man who looks after the boat sheds was back from lunch. "Oh dear," he said. "What happened to you?" He looked at the T-boat. "A T-boat is a 2-person boat," he said. "What you need is a Thee-boat. That's a 3-person boat." "Oh," said Yusuf. "That's what the sign meant." The family took a Thee-boat and went back out onto the lake. They had a lovely time rowing in the Thee-boat all afternoon. When it was time to take the Thee-boat back, Yusuf had an idea. "We could go for a swim," he said. "Well, we've already gotten our clothes wet today, so why not?" said Dad. They all laughed.
Alhamdulillah.
I'm looking but to my seal and I'm gonna press it.
Good job, everyone.
Question time. Tap the right answer based on the video story. What does T-boat mean? 2-person boat, 3-person boat, 4-person boat.
What does it mean? Is it 2% boat or 3? 2% boat. This is the one.
Can I press this or this? This?
Yes, that's the one.
Yes, that's the one.
How many people fit in a T-boat? 4, 2, 3.
This one's 2?
Yes.
3.
Yes, you got it right.
What is the first sound you hear in the word two?
No. Yes, that's the one.
Which boat was the right one for Yusuf's family? 2-person boat, 3-person boat, 1-person boat.
Okay, don't talk, because I'm gonna get distracted.
Oh, not that one. 3% boat, yes. And this one.
Yes, you got it right.
What sound does the word 3 start with? Th, b, t.
Yes, that's the one.
I got it right.
You did it.
No, not that one. This one. I don't want to press
Happy
the one.
Paint. Paint the character with your favorite.
I can't pick a color.
T is for T-boat, but what does it mean? It's a 2-person boat, as can clearly be seen. 2 dots stay on top, they don't move, it's true. The boat and the dots make the sounds for 2. 2 dots stay on top, they don't move, it's true. The boat and the dots make the sounds for 2. Th is for T-boat, you have a clue now. This is a boat for 3 people, not 2. 3 dots, 3 people sail out to sea. And this letter makes the sound for 3. 3 dots, 3 people sail out
That's
to
too
sea.
little.
And this letter makes the sound for 3.
Daddy, in the star.
T is for T-boat, but what does it mean? It's a 2-person boat, as can clearly be seen. 2 dots stay on top, they don't move, it's true. The boat and the dots make the sounds for 2. 2 dots stay on top, they don't move, it's true. The boat and the dots make the sounds for 2. Th is for T-boat, you have a clue now. This is a boat for 3 people, not 2. 3 dots, 3 people sail out to sea. And this letter makes the sound for 3. 3
Okay, so let's press the K and over to yeah.
dots, 3 people sail out to sea. And this letter makes the sound for 3.
I need red.
Choose the red.
T is for T-boat, but what does it mean? It's a 2-person boat, as can clearly be seen. 2 dots stay on top, they don't move, it's true. The boat and the dots make the sounds for 2. 2 dots stay on top, they don't move, it's true. The boat and the dots make the sounds for 2. Th is for T-boat, you have a clue now. This is a boat for 3 people, not 2. 3 dots, 3 people sail out to sea. And this letter makes the sound for 3. 3 dots, 3 people sail out to sea. And this letter makes the sound for 3. T is for T-boat, but what does it mean? It's a 2-person boat, as can clearly be seen. 2 dots stay on top, they don't move, it's true. The boat and the dots make the sounds for 2. 2 dots stay on top, they don't move, it's true.
Alhamdulillah. super secret. Watch the video and learn the secret.
Let's learn how to pronounce the t and th sounds. Here is the first letter. It is shaped like a boat. The two dots on top look like two people sailing on a boat. So, we will name it two-person boat, just like T-boat from the earlier story. Two-person boat letter makes a t sound. The word
Joe Marie,
two
Sulaiman.
also starts with a t sound. How
Yes,
good is
Sulaiman.
that? Now we know the letter two-person boat makes a t sound like this. T is for two. T. 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 Let's say it together. T. 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 Good job, mashallah. Now, let's have a look at the two-person boat
Sulaiman.
letter carrying a baby a on top.
Sulaiman.
Since two-person boat
Sulaiman.
makes a t sound and the baby a on top makes a short a sound, together we read them as ta.
Just throw it.
Ta.
Just throw it. I don't know.
Let's repeat it again. Ta. A. Ta.
It was?
Ta.
Just keep throwing it.
Now we will learn the second letter. It is the third boat-shaped letter in the Arabic alphabet. But unlike two other letters, it has three dots on top. Since it reminds us of the thea boat from the earlier story, we
Sulaiman.
will call it three-person boat. Three-person boat letter makes a th sound. The word three starts with a th sound as well.
Sulaiman.
Wow, that's easy. Now we know the letter three-person boat makes a th sound like this. Th, as in three. Th. 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 Now let's say it together.
Sulaiman.
Th. 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 Bravo! Alhamdulillah. Now let's have a look at three-person boat carrying baby a on top. As three-person boat makes a th sound and baby a on top makes a short a sound,
Yeah, that's
together
why
we read them
I
as
don't like it.
th.
Just listen to me.
Th. A.
Daddy!
Th.
Daddy!
Let's repeat it again. Th. A. Th. Th. Now we're going to read some words with t and th sounds. Awesome!
Alhamdulillah.
You finish this and then I will put it on YouTube.
Sound ball.
Downball, okay.
Tap the snowball to
Oh, look.
Tap on t.
Tap, tap, tap,
T. Tap on t. 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 T. Tap on th.
Huh?
Th. Tap on th.
Huh, which one?
Th. Tap on th. Th. Tap on th. Th. Tap on th. Th. Tap on th. Th.
It's broken.
Tap on th. Th.
Fantastic. Sound search. Tap the picture that starts with the right sound. Which picture starts with the T sound? Tap.
Yes! Tooth. Yes!
Which one? Which sport do I like the most? Which sport do I like the most?
Soccer.
Look. This ball right here, look. Which ball do I like the most? Look. Which ball do I like the most? This ball?
Which picture starts with the T sound?
Right here in my pocket. Which one?
Mind, that's funny.
Just tell me.
Don't distract us. Table.
Yes!
Don't talk, okay?
Okay.
I'm telling you to not talk. Let me talk like this much. Because I'm telling you to be quiet, but you're not being quiet.
Which picture starts with the T sound?
Yes!
Which picture starts with the F sound?
Okay.
Thigh.
Okay, yes.
Yes!
Okay, I'm gonna press this so I can, yes. No.
Which picture starts with the F sound?
I remember from this story.
Yes!
Good job.
Which picture starts with the F sound?
Yes!
I need one more. How many do we have?
Which picture starts with the F sound?
Let's go! Finally! We got a
Net. Theater.
Yes!
Oh, yeah!
You did it.
Stars!
Good job.
Match the codes. Dolphins are invited to the castle. They have the right.
What's that?
They match. What's this?
No, it doesn't match. It looks sa. No, not sa. It's not there. Okay, let's see. Ta. Yes, this matches ta. Oh, you need to be quick. Ta. Yes. Ta. No. Tab. What taba? Bagus.
Doesn't match.
This matches. Oh, do it quicker. Aba. No, it doesn't match. Yes, this matches. Quick. Hey.
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah. Good job.
Letter song. Listen to the song and sing along.
I'll listen to it. Now, where does that tingle?
T is for Tebow, but what does it mean? It's a two-person boat, as can clearly be seen. Two dots stay on top, they don't move, it's true. The boat and the dots make the sounds for two. Two dots stay on top, they don't move, it's true. The boat and the dots make the sounds for two. F is for Tebow, you have a clue now. This is a boat for three people, not two. Three dots, three people sail out to sea. And this letter makes the sound for three. Three dots, three people sail out to sea. And this letter makes the sound for three.
Fantastic.
Look, that's the. Daddy, look at that. Look at TV. That's the fast one. That's the skinny one. Is that the master?
Word hunt.
Yeah.
Tap on the right word. Tap on
Ta'aba.
Okay,
Ta'aba. Ta'aba.
it go up. Let me. Okay, stop.
Just press it. Hold on. Like, let me show you.
yes. Tap on
Abata.
Abata. Same one.
This one.
Yes. Tap it. No, you can tap it over there.
yes.
Hey, easy.
Tap on
This.
Batatha.
Batata.
yes.
Daddy, you can do this, but it doesn't work.
Tap on
Taba'a.
Time like that.
This.
Taba. What was that thing? Hold on. Look at me.
tap on
Taba'a.
Taba'a.
no it's not.
Taba'a.
Tap on
Ba'atha.
Okay, okay. Ba'ata. Come on.
No.
Ba'ata.
I need to use my phone.
No. You're recording, Suleiman. You need to be.
yes.
You need to behave.
Tap on
Thabata.
Tabata.
Hey.
Suleiman, look. Sabata. This one. Sabata.
yes.
Good job.
Tap on
Ataba.
What?
Can I show you a trick in volleyball you can do?
Wait, Suleiman. You need to pay attention, Suleiman, okay? Otherwise you cannot do
Tap
it.
on
Ataba.
Ataba. Which one is that? This one? Ataba. Okay.
yes.
Good job, Suleiman.
Tap on
Tataba.
Tataba. Which one is Tataba? Yes, Suleiman. If you don't pay attention, then Daddy's not gonna help you. Tataba.
yes. You did it. Reading practice. Read the words using the sounds you have learned in this country. To check your reading, tap the sound button on each page. Tap the arrow buttons to turn the page. Once complete, tap the end button.
Okay. Can you read it for me? No, you need to read it.
Ta'ata.
Ta'ata.
Ta-ta.
Good. What is the next one?
Abata.
Abata.
Good. Go to the next one.
You press this button.
Yes.
تأبى
تأبى
تتأبى
تأبى
تأبى
بأتا. Okay, okay. بأتا.
بأت
بتا أتا با تا أتا تا تا با ثا با تا ثا با ثا با
Daddy, what's the language again?
Arabic.
Arabic?
Yes.
Well, I don't know.
بتث
Batasa.
I don't know speak Arabic.
That's okay. You can learn how to read Arabic. Okay. Ba-ta-ta.
Ba.
Look. Ba-ta-ta.
Ba.
Yes, Sulaiman. Sa-a-sa.
Ba.
If you don't listen, it's not good. Look at this. Hey, are you looking? A-ta-ta.
Ba.
No, a-ta-ta.
Ba.
أتت
Ba-sa-sa.
بثث
Good job, Sulaiman. Sa-a-sa. Ba-a-sa.
بأث
Good job, Sulaiman. Sa-ba-ta. Sa-ba-ta. Good. A-ta-sa. Good job, Sulaiman. You did it. Hey. Okay, do the end.
الحمد لله. Tap the country number.